Hey guys, welcome back. Today's deep dive stock analysis will be on Sharplink Gaming Inc. Why? Because just not too long ago, within 7 days, it went up almost about 300%. Right? Okay, so just want to share with you what I think that the stock is going to move short term and even long term wise. How you could actually play this stock, and it's a very relative cheap and low price stock. So anyone can get in on this play as well, right? Okay, so let's dive right in. But before I continue, do smash the like button and also subscribe to this channel. You have been watching my videos and our statistics shows that you have not clicked on the subscribe button, right? Okay, it's totally free, right? So click on the like button for this video and also subscribe to our channel, right? Okay, you do us a lot of favor. Thanks. So let's jump right in. What is SBET, right? SBET is the symbol for Sharplink Gaming, right? It's a Nasdaq listed company that original business is sports betting in the US, right? iGaming marketing, and a major holder of Ethereum, right? Which is a crypto. Originally is a performance-based marketing company for sports books, online casinos, right? Now it operates also as a Ethereum treasury, right? Aiming to provide investors with economic exposure to the cryptocurrency space, right? Okay. Now, what is Sharplink business model, right? It makes software for sports betting sites, right? Basically that, and charges fees for their tech license, right? And now they hold a lot of Ethereum crypto as treasury. And of course, these put them to a risk where if Ethereum goes up a lot, they will go up a lot. Their share price will go up a lot. But if Ethereum goes down a lot in terms of price, their share price will also be affected, right? Okay, I'll talk more about that later on. But Sharplink works mainly in the US where betting is allowed, right? Why did SBET surge 300% in just 17 days, right? Okay, so it was roughly in July, right? Okay, and June-July period, right? Sharplink closes 425 million deal to establish Ethereum reserve treasury, right? Okay, becomes world largest corporate holder of Ethereum, reaching 280,000 over as of July 13, right? Okay, and raises additional 430 million from July 7 to 11, right? Okay, and this caused the share price to go up roughly in July period, right? Okay, but after that it has gone down a lot, right? Okay, so people are asking like, hey, then what is happening, man? Will the share price continue to go up or things like that, right? Okay, I'll share with you for SBET this type of stocks, right? What is the gameplay like, right? Okay, but very importantly, what is the bull case for SBET, right? Okay, the bull case is that Ethereum holdings give a big upside if Ethereum goes up, like what I said earlier. But of course, if it goes down, right, that is on the bad case. If crypto goes down or Ethereum goes down, it also affects the share price as well, right? Okay. New focus on crypto draws fresh investors into the company and buy the shares of the company, right? Okay. And leadership hires bring crypto know-how, right? Okay. Exactly from BlackRock's help to manage the Ethereum. And low stock price after drop offers a very good entry, right? And betting laws are easing in the United States, right? Okay, so and a rebound could happen together with Ethereum recovery as well. Those are all the bull case which could or may not happen, or may not happen, right? Okay, and the bear case, right, which also may or may not happen, right? Crypto price drop, or especially Ethereum, right, going down. Actually will hurt the share price, right? Just like Ethereum fell after July peak, right? Okay, took the stocks down, right? A lot, right? Okay. And original betting business is small and slow. Revenue did not grow much, and this failed to help and support the company, right? This may continue onwards, right? Okay, going forward into the future. Hype from search led to a quick sell-off, right? Volume drop after July, and basically everyone was selling it off, and there was no demand, right? Okay, and that's why the share price went down, right? Even up to now, it is still the case, right? Okay, so basically this is a very hype up stock, right? Okay, working on some sudden news and hype, and then you have a surge. Later on, I'll show you the chart to show you what is happening, right? To have a better picture. High debt and cost from Ethereum buys strain their cash flow, right? If market turns bad, losses grow fast, right? Okay, so I'm going to give you my take on using my chart, right? Okay, charting and using technical analysis to share with you what I think about this stock SBET, right? Okay, and the strategy that I use is my proprietary trade to win strategy, which you cannot find anywhere else, right? It involves a few steps like momentum, value, control, and alpha, right? Once alpha is there, I will know exactly what to do, when to do, and what price to do it with, right? Okay, whether it's going up and what price to buy it, and what time to buy it, I will know, right? Okay, so without further ado, let me just quickly switch over to the chart of SBET, right? Okay, so we can see over here SBET actually surged way up around 30th of May, right? Okay, and of course over here there's a surge up in July as well, right? A surge in July as well. So you can see that a surge up here, right? And if you look at my profit signal over here, I'm going to activate it here. And once I show you a profit signal, this profit signal is actually program based on my trade to win strategy, which I mentioned earlier, right? Okay, and because it's already programmed based on my trade to win strategy, it will tell me exactly when and what price to actually go in to buy or to sell, right? Okay, so I'm going to activate it and show you, right? You can see over here, just early this year, it was a sell, and share prices actually tend to continue going down, right? Okay, and same thing here, right? Sadly, we didn't catch the sudden move here, but this 300% move, right, from roughly less than $10, right, it surged all the way to more than $40, right? Okay, more than $40. So this is a more than 300% kind of jump, right? More than 300% kind of jump. Way back in July period, right? Okay, start of July all the way to mid of July. And like I mentioned, after the hype is over, volume demand wasn't there, and it was being sold off, right? Okay, and you can see after that, when the stock is starting to go up, if we went in to buy, at the point of my indication to buy here, right, you will have made a very good profit as well, right? Roughly below $20 you could have got in and sold off around $27, $28, right? Okay, so letting you maybe very close to 50% return on your capital, right? Okay, and over here you can see starting to show us sell signal for it to continue to go down, and precisely if you sold at around $18 ish, right? $18, $17 ish. Right now is $9. You can buy it back at a lower price and make a very good profit of roughly $8 on $8 to $9 on a $17, $18 stock, right? Okay, which is also roughly 50% return on your capital, right? But having said that, let me deactivate here, right? Okay. Having said that, I would say that this stock is more of a very hype up stock. Is basically based on hype that will cause the stock price to go up. As long there isn't anything like this, right, it is going to be sold off, right? Okay. Why I say this is because I don't think technically the way I see it, it has always been going down, as we can see over here, right? Okay, so it's no surprise. Maybe I can show you the weekly time frame, right? Okay, so it has been sold down a lot for ages, right? Okay, so if I were to show here, wow, right? Okay, it has been sold off for ages. Hype caused it to go up, then after that sold off. Hype caused it to go out, and after that sold off. Hype caused it to go out, after that it sold off, and it is always happening this way, right? Okay, to the point that people are already sick and tired of it, and you have a very long sold off period because there's no hype on any hype up news or events costing it to have more demand and eyeball into the stock, right? Okay, so that's the long term view of this so-called very hype up stock, right? Okay, so what do I think the stock will go? Basically, it will continue to go down. Maybe go back down to around even $3 is possible, which was at the start of the year, roughly there, right? Towards the middle of towards April, like what you see on my screen, around $3 plus, right? Okay, $3 plus. So it is still possible for right now around $10, $9, right? It is still possible for it to go all the way down to $3, right? Unless there is hype up news that is being announced. I don't see it going much higher, right? Okay. And of course, like what I say, is being tagged to Ethereum pricing, right? So if Ethereum goes up, very likely that it might cause people to eyeball this stock again, and it might go up also, right? Okay, but the thing here is that the way I see it, right? Okay, this of thing does happen, as you can see. It does happen about once every 5 years, right? Once every 5 years, it does happen once or twice, right? Over here, there's a surge also, right? Over here, there's a surge all the way to $132, right? From roughly $50, right? Okay, roughly less than there about $40 plus, right? Okay, so so every 5 years there's a bit of a surge, right? And even here, if I zoom in, right, all the way from $3 surge all the way to $100 over dollars, like hitting the lottery, right? Okay, I call this the lottery stock, right? Or when you buy lottery, right, you don't expect it to actually you don't expect to hit the lottery, basically. So when you buy the lottery, you use the money to buy the lottery, you expect the money is gone, right? Okay, so this is like buying lottery, right? That's why I call it so-called the lottery stock, right? Okay, you throw the money in, you don't expect to make money from this stock. Having said that, if you expect it to go all the way up, I don't think it will happen, right? I don't think it will happen. The way I see it, this stock is basically lack of demand, right? Without any hype, it will keep on being sold down. Okay, that's the pattern technically I can see on this stock, right? Okay, so there are sudden surge on and off within a few years, right? But after the sudden surge, it doesn't stay up, right? It will be sold off, right? So you want to sell off before it is sold off, right? Okay, and you don't know. But having said that, right? You can see very clearly that even using the profit signal, it also worked really well on this stock, right? Which is by using my trade to win strategy as well. So if you are interested to learn more about my trade to win strategy or even this profit signal, right? Okay, I have a free workshop that actually demonstrate to you how I use this profit signal to make profits, whether in any stock market, right? In any stock, this profit signal can be used, or even in crypto or even forex or any financial instrument. This profit signal is supposed to find you the winning trade, like what you see here, right? Okay, so if you are interested to find out more and learn how to use this as a tool for you to better trade and the markets for profits, I do have a free workshop. The link is somewhere around this video. You can click on it, register for this free workshop training, where I share with you how you can use this profit signal and also learn a little bit more about the background of this profit signal, which is the trade to win strategy, right? Okay, the profit signal is program based on the trade to win strategy, and this free workshop you'll be able to learn the trade to win strategy together with how you could actually apply the profit signal to get more wins, right? And big wins as well, right? Like what I show you so far. So if you are interested, do click on the link around this video to sign up for my free workshop, right? That's all from me. And before I go, just want to say, like, if you want the latest stock pick, go to winningtrader.com/newsletter to join our mailing list. We send you regular stock analysis and trading ideas. And by the way, do like the video, smash the like button, and subscribe to our channel, right? Okay, it's totally free, but you will do us a big morale booster, knowing that you are really following us, and we will do our best to chunk out more quality stock analysis, deep dive analysis like this one that you have seen, right? Okay, thank you so much, and I will see you real soon.
I hope you loved the video and learned something new from it. If you want to receive more videos like this, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell for notification. And if you want to learn more about the trade to win formula that I use in my trades, click on the link or button around this video to join my next free online workshop. In the workshop, you'll learn everything from finding the best opportunities to making consistent winning trades in the markets. I'll see you on the inside.